Welcome back to part 2 of the BMW Museum. Now, in today's video I'm going to be going through the first part of various engines that were in the museum. Without further ado, let's get into it. 2005 BMW P845. The BMW P845 was a highly advanced F1 engine known for its V8 configuration and the use of a 90-degree angle between the cylinder banks. In 2003 BMW P45 B20. The P45 B20 was a turbocharged engine used in the BMW F1 racing team. Its design focused on maximizing power output while adhering to the FIA regulations. In 2001 BMW P60 B40. P60 B40 was renowned for its innovative use of materials, including carbon fibre, which helped reduce weight while maintaining structural integrity. In 1999 P75. The P75 was designed with a focus on aerodynamics and efficiency, making it a crucial part of BMW's strategy in competitive racing. In 1991 BMW M1213. The M1213 was an incredibly powerful turbocharged engine known for producing up to 1400 horsepower in qualifying trim. In 1976 BMW M127. The M127 was notable for its innovative use of a turbocharger, which was a breakthrough in F1 technology at the time. In 1974 BMW M49. The M49 was a high-performance engine that featured a 3-litre inline-6 configuration. 1966 BMW M10. The M10 engine was a versatile inline-4 that became the foundation for many BMW models. (1978) BMW B220Z. The B220Z was a notable aircraft engine developed by BMW during the late 1970s. (1944) BMW 003. The BMW 03 was a pioneering turbojet engine, one of the first developed for use in aircraft during World War II. (1944) BMW 801. The BMW 801 was a powerful radial aircraft engine used extensively during World War II. (1933) BMW 132. The BMW 132 was a significant aircraft engine that featured a 9-cylinder radial design. (1926) BMW VI. The BMW VI was one of the first successful aircraft engines produced by BMW, featuring a V12 configuration. Now let me know if you liked any of those engines, why. If you could choose to say, put your favorite engine into your favorite car, which would it be and why? And until next time, I'll see you later.